decision and should not be interpreted as a legal victory for Datcams, as the substantive issues in the case are yet to be determined. It further explained that the pending are scheduled for hearing on the 19th of May and that Datcams has yet to formally respond to the issues raised in them. Addressing the origins of the legal dispute, government referenced the earlier case fled by Datcams on 7th of September 2023, in which the company was initially presented as Datcams Enterprises Limited, but government records indicated that no such company had been registered, raising concerns about the validity of the case. The statement added that while legal proceedings continue, government remains committed to due process and expressed confidence in a fair resolution. There is a need for the electoral umpire INEC to try and prosecute electoral offenders. This is why the plan by the nation's electoral will establish more electoral courts should be supported and allowed to come to a limelight. These were the views of stakeholders in a vox pop conducted this Wednesday in Abuja. According to Olushina Adekola, Wale Omole, Abeo Lawal, and Alhaji Duro Abiola, prosecution of electoral offenders should be taken seriously. Therefore, the need for government to support the electoral body's plan for the establishment of more electoral courts, describing the electoral offenders as criminals who compromise the country's electoral law, and APC chieftain Alhaji Bisiriyu Popola acting sustainers of democratic principles. You're listening to the state news on OGBC 90.5 FM. The call has gone to government at all levels to approve the adoption of the mother tongue as a compulsory medium of instruction in primary schools in the country. A professor of education at the University of Ibadan, Ibrahim Oladipopo, made a call in an interview with OGBC. Government should be engaged for the programs. Professor Oladipopo added that no language is inferior to another and Nigeria should promote indigenous languages. Motorists using fake number plates have been warned to desist from the act or face the wrath of the law. The Public Education Officer, Federal Safety Corps, the State Command, Mrs. Florence Okwe, gave the warning in a chat with OGBC in Abeokuta. Mrs. Okwe expressed concern over motorists saying criminals are using it to perpetrate evil. She, however, advised motorists using special number plates to register their vehicles from being impounded. Mrs. Okwe said FRC officials will continue to go after motorists using fake number plates and impound the vehicles, as well as prosecute their owners in the court of law. Good governance is a reflection of good citizenry. Renew your commitment to being a patriotic Nigerian. To end the state news, another look at the major items. While playing oath to the board of the Federal Medical Center in Abeokuta, Governor Dapo Abiodun restated commitment to affordable healthcare service for residents. In a statement by the Special Advisor on Media and Strategy to the Governor, Honorable Kayode Akinmade, clarified reports on the remote report over dismissed appeal against the business outfit. He also held that an interview, a professor of education at the University of Ibadan, Ibrahim Oladipopo, urged the government to approve the use of mother tongue as means of instruction in schools. The state news was edited by Adebimpe Wahab and broadcast from OGBC Abeokuta. For exclusive programs and the latest news updates, visit our website at ogunradio.ng. Follow us on Facebook at Ogun Radio Abeokuta and on X at OGBC 905 FM. You can also listen to OGBC on the Radio Garden.